Are you ready to find out how I can save you $25,000? Call me for a list of homes that are on red tag special. You get $25,000 to use your way. You can use that $25,000 towards your interest rate buy down, a free stainless steel refrigerator, a washer, a dryer, blinds throughout the house, even gutters. Call today, 251-234-9919. This home features white quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the bath, stainless steel appliances, a smart home package, and a 2-car garage. This home is on red tag special. What does that mean for you? That means you get an extra $25,000 to use your way. You can use that to buy your interest rate down, free stainless steel refrigerator, free washer and dryer, free blinds or free gutters, or more. Call today to see what other incentives we're offering. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, my YouTube channel, and my social media to get you the most money for your home.